everyone, my name is Manushree. I'm studying 9th class in Mahatman High School, Vijayawada. Today, the topic given for us is losing time from the editorial page of Hindu newspaper. Puducherry needs a full-fledged government as coronavirus cases rise. The delay in the formation of the ministry in Puducherry does not appear to be merely because Chief Minister N. Rangasamy was indisposed for some days. He took charge on May 7 before taking ill. He has now recovered from COVID-19, but there is no word on cabinet expansion. The delay is a reflection of the uneasy relationship between Mr. Rangasamy's NR Congress and its ally, the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP), which has been paying special attention to the Union Territory to become a one on the face of it. The delay is because of the Chief Minister's hospitalization and his home quarantine, which was over on Sunday, May 23rd. But his illness did not become in the way of the centre, making 3 BJP members nominated legislators of the assembly. One reason that is holding up ministry formation is the BJP's demand for the deputy chief minister's post and a few ministerial berths. As stated by Union Minister of State for Home Affairs G. Kishan Reddy, one of the point persons of the BJP for Puducherry, but it was evident that Mr. Rangasamy was not too enthused by the Nation Party's proposals. A few days before assuming office, he was on the record to say that there was no precedent of Puducherry having had a deputy chief minister, but would consider the matter if the centre created such a post. However hard it may be for him, Mr. Rangasamy has to contend with the reality that the BJP strength in the assembly is just to the member that Lieutenant Governor Tamilisai Soundarajan on May 21 appointed K. Lakshmi Narayan as the pro temporary speaker of the assembly, paving the way for the yearly swearing in of MLAs. However, what bothers the people of the Union Territory, it has a population of about 12.5 lakh, which is in 2011 census, is that there is no full-fledged elected government in place during a raging COVID-19 pandemic. Between May 8, the day after Mr. Rangasamy became Chief Minister, and May 24, the number of active cases went up by 2,250. The total number of active cases stood at 15,835 on Monday. In this period, the toll rose by almost 50%, and as on Monday, 1,382 persons have died since the outbreak of the pandemic. Puducherry does need a vibrant and imaginative health minister to beat the virus. This is also an opportunity for the NR Congress and the BJP to set aside their differences and show that they have genuine concern for the welfare of the people by forming the Council of Ministers at the earliest. This is no time for procrastination. So this is our today's topic on editorial page. Thank you.